In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and start using Claude.ai completely for free. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. This is, in my opinion, the best free AI right now. Personally, I have only tried it for coding. As you can see, there are some examples right here about what you can do, and it's perfect for complex tasks like business-related stuff or coding and much more. You can even upload images, files, and it will analyze them and give you solutions to basically anything you want. So if you want to start using it for free, you need to go to Claude.ai/login and then continue with Google or enter your email. In my case, I'm going to use my Google account. Select the account you want to use, continue, and then after just a few seconds, it will start loading and you will need to enter your birth rate. Then continue again, and here you can select your plan. So in my personal account, I have the Pro plan because it will give you a lot of advantages. Like in the free version, there are some limits, like you can only use a few prompts, and if you want to pay, then you can use it more and you will unlock new features like the ability to use the web to connect your Google Workspace and much more. But if you want to use it for free just to try it, you can click right here and now everything is ready. You just need to enter your name, click right here, select some topics you want to use the AI for example, I don't know, content creation or coding, business, whatever you want, and now you are ready to go. So if you click right here, you'll see the options to create a new chat. Then you can just type in whatever you want here. For example, create a simple website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to showcase my website developing portfolio. Now you just need to hit enter or click right here, and this will start loading and creating wherever you want. So let's wait for it to load, and I will actually try this website and see how it looks like. And now it seems like everything is ready. We can even see a preview of the whole website right here at the right sidebar. We can see how it added basically everything a website should include. This is obviously a very simple website because I told him to do it like that, but you can of course use a more detailed prompt to get a better result. But as you can see, it looks very nice. This is something a real developer will take a lot of hours to do it, and we also have the placeholders right here to have the images. We also have a quick resume of what the AI has included in our website. We can also see it has a menu. This is fully functional, and we can export it right here. We can click to download it as HTML. We can click right here to retry, which will basically give us a different version of this website. It's basically like doing this prompt again. We can see the code right here. If you click this icon, you will see the whole code. So you can copy it with export button and then paste it on Visual Studio Code or wherever you want. You can also ask Claude.ai for changes. So for example, if you don't like these colors, or if you want to add something new or delete something, you can do that as well. As you can see, it even has like a contact form. It has different websites, like different pages. It of course has only created the landing page right now, but if you want to, you can say like create the about page as well, and it will do it. If we open it on a different tab like this, we can see how it looks like on a real desktop. We can also see this is probably responsive as well. This is how it would look like on a phone. So we can see this is responsive as well. So this is crazy how the AI can do this in just a few seconds. So yeah, that's basically something the Claude.ai can do. And you can ask him like anything you want. You can even create simple video games. You can create programs, mobile applications. And if you create, or see, if you go right here to a new chat, you can see, you can make him go like specifically into this topic for coding or to learn something, to type a live prompt. You can set a specific style, and you can even create or edit your own styles. So that's it. Now I'm going to delete this one, for example. If I don't want this chat anymore, I could just delete it. And that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.